मुंबई मैनेजमेंट एकेडमी नेहरू नवी मुंबई द्वारा HR कॉन्फ्रेंस 27 अप्रैल 2013 को बैरिस्टर PJ पाटिल सभागृह वाशी में आयोजित की गई थी। मुंबई मैनेजमेंट एकेडमी द्वारा आयोजित HR कॉन्फ्रेंस के दौरान उपस्थित मान्यवरों को सम्मानित कर उनका स्वागत किया गया। इस आयोजित कार्यक्रम में मुख्य विषय इंडिया 2020 ह्यूमन रिसोर्स चैलेंजर्स और 4 विविध विषयों पर चर्चा की गई। वो 4 विषय थे डेवलपिंग HR इन द कॉन्टेक्स्ट ऑफ डेमोग्राफिक ट्रेंड्स एंड इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ प्रोजेक्शन, तो दूसरा एन इनसाइट लुक ऑन फ्यूचर HR स्ट्रेटजीज फॉर इंडिया, तो तीसरा ग्लोबल बेस्ट प्रैक्टिस ऑन मैनेजमेंट और चौथा इफेक्टिवनेस ऑफ करंट एजुकेशनल एंड HR ट्रेनिंग पॉलिसी। इस कॉन्फ्रेंस में जाने मानी कंपनियों के व्यवस्थापक, संचालक, कार्यकारी अधिकारी और अध्यक्ष, उपाध्यक्ष इन मुख्य वक्ताओं ने मार्गदर्शन किया। उद्योजक, संचालक और छात्र ऐसे कुल 300 प्रतिनिधि इस कॉन्फ्रेंस में शामिल हुए थे। इस कार्यक्रम का उद्घाटन मुख्य अतिथि सांसद डॉक्टर संजीव नाइक के शुभ हाथों किया गया। इस दौरान इस कॉन्फ्रेंस में महापौर सागर नाइक, उप महापौर अशोक गावड़े भी उपस्थित थे। तो इस दौरान सांसद डॉक्टर संजीव नाइक ने कहा,
I think a very important seminar is there, which is organized by the Mumbai Management Academy, and I think there is a crucial period because our country is facing in a different atmosphere, and HR is the important part in the organization where you want to grow, and not only grow, you want to develop in a better way. And HR where you are getting a good opportunities, where people can get a good opportunities, and see quantity and quality. There are two things. In HR, if you have a quantity but not quality, then you will not going to progress in a proper way. So this organization is going to give a lot of opportunities, jobs to the people, needy people who are having the talent but not getting opportunities. And only not they are going to give the training, and as well as they will going to give a job also. This is a good thing, that where you can get a training as well as growth. In surety you will get a good job where you will progress in your field. So if you see the country like India and state like Maharashtra and the city like Mumbai, there are so many huge organizations are there, but we require a good people also. In HR department, if you don't have a good person, you will going to lose lot many things. So that is very important, that how your HR department is progressing in the company. So this is very important conferencing, and I hope in this conference people will think on this and they will going to achieve their goals.
तो इस दौरान सभी उपस्थित अतिथियों ने अपने अपने विचार व्यक्त किए।
Mumbai Management Academy has organized a HR conference, first time in Navi Mumbai, on the theme the India 2020 Human Resource Challenges. This is the theme. Now, under this theme, we have given 4 different topics. The full day this program will be there, discussing on the different 4 topics, and these topics to be discussed by most of the headed HR in the industry, from the different industry, director, president, vice president, and there will be an audience who has attended today. almost close to 200, and they will be learning out of this session after discussion by all these dignitaries from the different industry. My intention was, and our intention was, if it is only a delivery of lecture, then it is a lecture. But if it is a delivery of panel discussion subject wise by the different panelists, then at least the audience will learn out of the session and they will gather a lot of knowledge on the subject. And the audience has come from the different industry, GM, HR, Chief Manager HR, Manager HR, Recruitment Agency Head, and few management student. And this program will be continued. It is going to be a great success, and that's it. I will ask to share few things to my other director, Mrs. Sushmita Das. She can use some of her thoughts.
Come from his brain. I mean, this has been projected today. It was just a simple statement in our conference room, and today it has happened in reality. And our concept is for employability, where we give a guaranteed job. We train the students, not only the students as well as the employees of different esteemed organizations, and we train them in such a way so that they get a better perspective in life. We show them the path, we open them the door to the corporate. This is our whole aim, which I have learned from my sir.
The subject that I am going to be talking on was effectiveness of current educational and HR practices. I fully endorse what Dr. Sen said, that we are a small group today at MMA trying to develop this new format of education. Let me remind you, decades back, IIM Ahmedabad was no bigger an institute. They started on a very small front with a thought, with a vision, with an idea. And I see no difference between IIM Ahmedabad of then and MMA of today. They have started with the same thought, same vision, same thing. Only thing one more I can add is there is a noble purpose attached with this academy. Effectiveness, education and training. I would request that next time when we meet here, or not request, in fact I'm very optimistic that when we meet next time, the title will remain the same. Only thing what will change is India, the global leader for 2020 in the HR practices. I'm confident because HR is something which is there in our Indian culture. Look at our culture years ahead or backwards to us. Our Vedas taught a lot of culture. The Guru-Chela relationship was a culture. Why are we aborting that culture today and trying to ape the westernized methods? They may be good, but we still have our strengths within our own culture. Look at it. And if we concentrate on development and focus on seeing that human is a product which can be developed and has the potential to be developed, I see no reason why there should not be success to us and our country and our organization.
A lot of industry academia interface has to be there. The management experts sitting in the colleges, they should come to the industry to work for at least 2 to 3 months in different departments, so that they reorient their understanding as to what industry is requiring every day, because the requirements are changing every day. Similarly, the industry experts, they should also come for at least 2 months in a year to teach in the management institutes. This is how it can happen. It is happening across the globe, and I don't understand why it cannot happen here, provided. And I am very happy that the Mumbai Management Association has taken the initiative to bridge this gap. There was a lot of requirement. When Professor Ganguly met me first, I told him this is a big gap. This is a big mismatch. We are facing this problem. And all the management institute, they should tell their students only one thing, that you are nothing short of product. You are a product for the industry, and the product should be in market ready condition and ready to use condition, and they are not in market ready condition, they are not in ready to use condition. They are forcing me to spend my resources to train them for months and months to make them market ready. I am not prepared to do that. I want market ready condition. I want market ready managers, and it is the management institutes, they should do a lot of soul searching to make them, to put them in market ready condition, and how they will do that everybody should ponder.